The recipe to make this event happen is people gather together from different countries, from different realities, and they contribute together with their knowledge, with their culture, with their creativity to make this Peace Justice Conference happen. Mainly we organized the event, first of all by DNS 17 and also from the side of DNS, CICD and Lindersvold. We created a camp for a week before. We made little groups like a kitchen or a media group, places to decorate, for example workshops or the conference hall. So with 45 people we organized the conference together in 3 days. Everything is possible if we are together.